Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious looking, yummy, tasty coconut rice and beans. Sit tight and watch to the end, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's get cooking. Okay, to make this, you can use any protein of your choice. As you can see, I'm using chicken and turkey here, and I've already cooked it. And now I'm gonna grill it in my oven. Okay, so while the chicken is grilling, we're gonna start cooking the coconut rice and beans. So in a dry pot, added a little vegetable oil. Then add some garlic paste. Fry this for like about a minute so that you can infuse the flavor into the oil. That's what we want. So after that, I added some diced onion. Fry this for about 2 minutes. Also, then add some blended habanero pepper and the red bell pepper. No tomato. There is no tomato in this recipe, so what I just added now is blended habanero pepper and red bell pepper. So I used 2 whole red bell pepper and about 3 or 4 habanero peppers. So fry that for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, I just added the meat stock to it. Now I'm going to be adding the coconut milk. So I'm using about 4 cups of coconut milk here. You can use less, you can use higher depending on your choice or how you want it. So stir it. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see it boiling. I just added some crayfish. Now I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm going to list this in the description box so that you know the spices and seasonings I just added. Then I'm going to add my stock cube to it. Add some seasoned salt. You can add ordinary salt if that is what you have. I am using seasoned salt in this recipe. Okay, then stir it properly and add the beans, the parboiled beans. Make sure you parboil your beans. I parboiled my beans a night before so that I can easily use it. So add the parboiled beans, then add the your freshly cleaned washed rice. I did not parboil the rice, I only parboiled the beans. So add the rice. Just wash your rice properly and add it. Stir it properly and cover it to simmer. Just simmer this in low heat. So after 10 minutes, I'm shaking on it. As you can see, just shake on it and give it some fluff, like 4 sides, and cover it again to properly cook. So I'm going to leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the rice is very well cooked. So I added some mixed vegetables. Add spring onion. Cover it to cook for like 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, I just added celery stalk diced and some diced green and red bell pepper. Then give it some fluff stirring, like fold everything together. Just fold it and the rice and beans is ready. Very easy and fast cooking, right? So here you go. The rice is already served with the chicken and turkey. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.